In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to download videos in high quality in Canva. So the first thing that you need to do is log into your Canva account, and you will either land on the home page dashboard or the templates dashboard. Now, from wherever you are, look over to the left-hand column and click on projects. When you click on projects, you'll be able to see all of your current projects. And what you want to do next is click on the specific video project that you would like to download. And when you find it and click on it, it will be opened in Canva's design editor. So once you have your video, presumably you've edited everything and it's ready to go. So from here, you need to look over to the top right corner of the page and click on share. Once you click on share, navigate all the way down to the last section of this window and click on download. So when you click on download, you will have a file type drop down. Click the drop down and ensure that you have MP4 video selected. Once you've selected that, there is a quality slider, which is a pro feature, by the way. So you do need to have a Canva Pro plan to be able to use this, but simply just drag the slider all the way to the end and you'll see it go from 1080 to 4K Ultra HD. And once you're ready to download it, simply just click on download and Canva will prepare the download file. And once the download file is prepared, we'll wait for it. It will appear in your device's download tab. Right, now that the file has been prepared, the download is complete, and you can simply just click on it and you will be taken to your file explorer or your device's download folder. So that is how you download high quality videos in Canva. I hope that this tutorial was helpful, and if you have any questions or if you had any issues along the way, please feel free to drop them in the comments section below, and I'll respond to them as soon as possible. Thanks for watching this video.